Hello everybody, and once more welcome to our video. As you can see, what we're doing right now is called Rattan panelist weaving. This one we shall attach it to the wardrobe face, panelist face. Get to notice how we do it. Usually we use pure rattan and we weave it on a wooden frame. So get to notice how it takes shape. Thank you so much for the engagement in our videos. Kindly leave, like and share as we continue to post more. This encourages us to send you more educational videos. Thank you so much. Kindly like, share and subscribe to this video.